Visca, 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 la lluita feminista! Visca, 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 la lluita feminista! Visca, 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 la lluita feminista! Qué pena me da que la madre de Rajoy no pudiera votar. Y qué desilusión, el padre de Cardona un salario con dos. ¡Cabrón! Se va a quemar la potencia episcopal. Se va a quemar, se va a quemar la
Have you seen that vigilante man? Have you seen that vigilante man? Have you seen that vigilante man? I've been hearing his name all over the land. Well, what is a vigilante man? Tell me what is a vigilante man? Has he got a gun and a club in his hand? Is that a vigilante man? Rainy night down in the engine house, sleeping just as still as a mouse. Man come along and chased us out in the rain. Was that a vigilante man? Stormy days we passed the time away, sleeping in some good warm place. Man come along and we give him a little race. Was that a vigilante man? Preacher Casey was just a working man, and he said, unite all you working men. Kill him in the river, some strange man. Was that a vigilante man? Does a vigilante man? Why does a vigilante man carry that sawed-off shotgun in his hand? Would he shoot his brother and sister down? I rambled around from town to town. I rambled around from town to town. And they herded us around like a wild herd of cattle. Was that
¡No la detiene el Partido Popular! ¡Mi cuerpo, mi vida, mi maternidad! ¡No la detiene el Partido
his name all over the land? Rambled around from town to town. I rambled around from town to town. And they herded us around like a wild herd of cattle. Was that the vigilante man? Have you seen that vigilante